Can my 5-chapter story work for landing pages? My first reaction, and I'm going to encourage you to have this reaction, is yes. Why is it yes? Because I told you that this works in any medium. So my default reaction is, if I can't make it work for a landing page, a letter, a meeting, if I can't make it work, there's something wrong with my thinking, because so far I found it works everywhere. But let's go at it. If it was a landing page, short answer is yes. I would start by connecting with a need and connecting with a category. So let's say it was the homepage. I'm going to go back to the financial advisor. When I land on that person's page, I would not want to see, here are the things that make me different. I'd want to start with a financial advisor offers value to someone who's busy, who has assets, who's trying to do better in their life, who wants a plan for their future. Those are the kind of people that should have a financial advisor. By the way, that's chapter 1, right? Chapter 2 goes straight into our approach is unique. Our approach is very tailored. Our approach is all about you, whatever those things are. And then you go through the rest of it and absolutely it'll fall right in. So say on a landing page, I don't think you'd have any issue at all. Yes, the question is, does it work for landing page? And the answer is absolutely yes.